Ever notice that one friend who barely touches a skincare product but still gets carded at 45, while the rest of us are dropping serious cash on serums and still spotting new lines every month? It's frustrating, right? The secret isn't just good genes or pure luck, it's biology. And guess what? We can absolutely hack it. Stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm about to hand you 5 incredibly powerful internal upgrades that don't just smooth over wrinkles. They actually rebuild collagen, rescue your cellular powerhouses, your mitochondria, and make your skin genuinely act a decade younger. And the best part? No complicated 12-step routine required. Now, I'm not a dermatologist. I'm a data-obsessed biohacker who dives deep into the scientific studies and research papers so you don't have to. If you're tired of marketing hype and ready for evidence-backed solutions that actually work, then you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get straight to the real fixes. The real culprit. Here's the hard truth. Wrinkles and sagging don't just appear overnight. They start their insidious work long before you even see them. Once you hit your 30s, your body's collagen production begins to drop by about 1% every single year. At the same time, that crucial cellular energy molecule, NAD+, can fall by half, leaving your cells sluggish. And let's not forget chronic low-grade inflammation, which acts like a slow burn, frying those precious collagen and elastin fibers that keep your skin plump and firm. Traditional creams and lotions? They're great for lubricating the surface and offering temporary comfort, but they don't actually reboot the vital factory that makes your skin. That factory, my friends, is deep inside you, working at a cellular level. Biohack number 1. Collagen peptides plus vitamin C. So, how do we get that internal factory humming again? Let's start with biohack number 1. Collagen peptides paired with vitamin C. A groundbreaking 2023 meta-analysis, pulling data from 26 randomized trials, revealed something incredible. Just 2 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides combined with 100 milligrams of vitamin C doubled skin elasticity in a mere 8 weeks. The magic here lies in the hydrolyzed part. This process breaks down the protein into tiny di- and tripeptides, allowing them to slip through your gut wall intact. Once absorbed, they act like biological signals, telling your fibroblasts, those incredible skin cells, to switch collagen production back on. Vitamin C isn't just a sidekick. It's essential, acting as a critical cofactor in the collagen synthesis process itself, ensuring those building blocks are properly integrated. Simply mix the powder into your morning coffee. Don't worry, heat won't degrade these resilient peptides. You can expect to see smoother texture in about 2 months, with a noticeable, measurable bounce returning to your skin around the 4-month mark. Biohack number 2. Red and near-infrared light. Harness the power of red and near-infrared light. Think of it as a cellular wake-up call for your skin. Specific wavelengths, typically between 630 and 850 nanometers, penetrate the skin to stimulate something called cytochrome C oxidase. Don't worry about the big name, just know it's a key mitochondrial trigger that dramatically boosts ATP production, that S, your cellular energy currency, and simultaneously turns down inflammatory cytokines, which are major contributors to aging. A compelling 2022 trial demonstrated that just 3 10-minute sessions per week increased collagen density by an impressive 31% in only 12 weeks.
Biohack number 3. NAD precursors. 3rd. Boost your NAD. This molecule is crucial for cellular energy and DNA repair, but your levels can be cut in half by age 50. Taking an NAD precursor, like nicotinamide riboside, helps refuel your cells. This supports more efficient skin cell turnover, helping to fade spots and soften lines from within. To support this process, you can pair it with TMG, Glycine. Biohack number 4. Glycine-rich sleep window. 4th. Optimize sleep with glycine. Collagen is 1/3 glycine, and your body produces it during deep sleep. Taking 3 grams of glycine about 30 minutes before bed helps. You fall asleep faster and boosts your body's overnight repair cycle. You'll wake up to plumper skin with pillow creases that bounce back much faster. Biohack number 5, cold exposure and contrast showers. Finally, cold exposure. Ending your shower with a blast of cold water is a powerful anti-aging tool. The cold triggers a hormone, norepinephrine, that tightens pores and activates brown fat to release antioxidants. Studies suggest regular cold exposure can reduce inflammatory markers, and the vascular workout improves nutrient delivery to the skin, giving you a natural glow from the inside out. So, while creams help the surface, true age reversal is metabolic. Start with one hack that feels easy for you, like adding collagen to your coffee or ending your shower with a cold rinse. Be consistent and then stack another. You'll be amazed at the synergy. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments and hit subscribe for more evidence-backed biohacks.